Good morning to the respected sir and everyone present here. My name is Tahura Amreen and today I am here to present a speech on the topic value of efforts. A spark of inspiration gives you an idea, but effort turns this idea into something concrete and tangible. For example, how does an inspiration become a painting on a wall or a book on a bookshelf? The effort what makes the inspiration into reality. Of course, we all need a spark of inspiration to grow. Well, as it is common to hear, an idea is worthless until it is put up into some practice. The effort is a hard work. We all need to achieve our goal for efforts. Without effort, there would be no art or literature, there would be no music or dance. It is an important part of the magic of life. You may think that effort is a simple action, but in reality, effort triggers a chain reaction in our body. When you are stuck in your own head, it's hard to see the past of the mental noise of trying something new or achieving a goal. But when you strive to make good things happen, the chain reaction begins. The effort is a struggle. It is an important element that transforms us into a better person and makes our dreams come true. It builds our self-confidence and increases our character. The more time we likely to spending on something, the more possibilities are in the more possibility are in it we succeed in it. So never give up on your effort that you are taking to reaching your goals. If you compromising that it means you are ready to give up on your dreams of success. True success comes from hard work. Just like Sophocles says, the success is dependent on efforts. I end by quoting Mahatma Gandhi's phrase, our reward lies in our efforts, not in result. A true success comes from hard work, and our reward doesn't lies in our result. Thank you.
Today, I am here to talk about something that I believe is the heart of everything we do. That is efforts. Efforts are like hustle and grind that you put in to make things happen. Efforts are real deal. They are what that separate dreamer into doers. The effort you put today determine your success tomorrow. Furthermore, efforts are like sunscreen in summer, needs to be applied consistently to achieve our goals. We put in efforts each and every day on the days when we feel good and also on the days when we don't feel like doing work. Efforts pays off in many ways. In our daily lives, efforts are like fuel that keeps things running smoothly. For example, studying hard for an exam is an effort to achieve good grades. Working out regularly at gym is an effort to stay fit and healthy. There are many great individuals who exemplify the value of efforts. One of them is Thomas Alva Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing his light bulb, yet preserved and revolutionized the whole world. Apart from him, there are many great individuals who demonstrate that with hard work, efforts, and dedication, anyone can achieve greatness. In the end, I would like to say that the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. So my friends, efforts are not just about destination, it's about journey, it's about failure, hard work and sweat. The efforts are what that turns inspiration into reality, challenges into opportunities. So I urge each one of you to value your efforts, because when we value our efforts, we become the masters of our fate, captains of our souls, and the architects of our dream. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something important, that is effort. Effort is trying your best to achieve something. When you make an effort, you can achieve great things even when it's difficult to achieve. When you make an effort, you can change your dreams into reality and becomes a better person in your life and faces the overcome challenges. And we can say that effort is like a force that can bridge the gap between our dreams and reality, a force that can transform our lives. If we can understand that effort is very important. With effort we can change our fears into our courage, we can change our doubt into confidence, and our patience into achievements, and our weakness into strength. Effort is like a muscle that can strength with practice, and every small count steps. Effort is a spark that can light up the flame of our progress, and it is a fuel that drives us forward even when the journey gets tough. It is a determination to learn from failures and rise above the become challenges. Effort is what make you the strong and proud of yourself even when the journey gets tough, and it is very important to value of effort. Thank you so much.
Effort is a quiet force that transforms dreams into reality. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, satisfaction lies in efforts, not in attainment. Full effort means full victory. Effort is the path illuminated by diligence, persistence, and unwavering commitment. Good morning to all of you. My name is Avika Gangrade of class 12A at PM Shri KVVFJ School. Today I'm here to speak about value of efforts in front of all of you. So here it is. Effort is the essence of personal growth and collective advancement. It's not merely the exertion of energy, but testament to character, resilience, and ambition. Each stride forward, no matter how small, build bridges between aspiration and accomplishment. How about if we consider the story of J.K. Rowling? So, do you guys know about the famous novel of J.K. Rowling? Anybody? Yes, you're absolutely right. Harry Potter. J.K. Rowling, who faced rejection after rejection before Harry Potter found a publisher, but her perseverance turned a series of setbacks into global phenomena. Each rejection was not a defeat, but stepping stone towards success, fueled by unwavering efforts. Effort knows no shortcuts, no substitutes. It demands our undivided attention and relentless commitment. It teaches us patience in the face of adversity. Effort is a silent voice that speaks louder than word. It whispers in the late night of practices, in the early mornings of preparation, and in the moment of doubt that precedes triumph. It is the fuel that propels ordinary individuals to extraordinary heights. Let us not forget the word of Helen Keller, who said, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence, and it is our efforts that cultivates this optimism. At last, I just want to say, without efforts, dreams are nothing more than unfulfilled wishes. Without efforts, skills are nothing more than unused tools. And without efforts, talents are nothing more than unfulfilled potential. But with efforts, anything is possible. We can overcome our challenges and obstacles, improve with our mistake, learn with our mistakes, and push ourselves to new height. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to present a speech on the value of efforts. What is efforts? Which is efforts make you successful in your life. It is impossible to succeed. It is impossible to succeed overnight without any efforts because your efforts make you successful in future. However, remain to be one of the most important fact to be successful. This lead, this lead, this lead you self exploration and this is lead self exploration and discovery to be successful and new skill. Thank you so much.
Good morning to the respected sir and all my dear friends. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic value of efforts. Efforts is like a fuel that drives us towards our goals and dreams. It's our hard work, dedication, and persistence we put into everything we do that truly make differences. When we put effort, we show our commitment and determination to succeed. Efforts are what? It turns our dreams into reality. They push us to go extra mile to overcome challenges and to grow stronger. Every effort we made, no matter how small, but it contributes to our growth and development. It's our effort we learn, improve, and achieve greatnesses. Effort not only bring us to closer our goals, but also build our character and reliances. So let remember the value of effort. Everything we do. Let embrace hard work, stay focused, and never underestimate the power of our efforts because in the end it's our effort that shape our future and lead us to success. Thank you.
So today I'm here to present a speech on value of effort. Everything that we want to achieve requires some effort, but how important is effort in achieving our goal? The effort you put in determines your success tomorrow. Success is never earned, it is only rented, and the rent is due every day. To achieve our goals, we need to put in the effort each and every day. One way to keep yourself motivated to put in the effort needed to for your goals is to think of what the other people who have the same goal, knowing that most people will at some point give up and stop putting in consistent effort. You can use this to motivate you to continue to work hard and keep moving forward. Effort teaches that we can do more than we thought. We learn new skills and abilities when we take the time to put in consistent effort. Every new success that learn, we achieve through our effort increases our confidence in ourselves and our abilities. Effort keeps us focused on success. As your effort brings you closer to your goal, your motivation and willpower increases, and whatever your goal, plan to put in the consistent effort needed to achieve success. Thank you.
Hi dear friends, today my topic is value of efforts. If we say about efforts, effort is a general struggle. We may find that we have to work hard than we thought. Effort is essential to success. Long-term value of efforts can be hard. Effort is work hard. We may say that it is the magic of life. Thank you.
Value of efforts. If we do not give importance to a person, then he goes away from us. If we do not give efforts to upgrade ourselves in life, the success goes away from us. Efforts are the building blocks of success. They are the fuel that drives us towards our goals and dreams. Without efforts, our aspiration remains stagnant and our potential remains untapped. Effort is a journey, is not at a destination. It is a journey of self-discovery and growth. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today our topic is value of efforts. Effort teaches us that we can do more than we thought. Efforts is efforts is the backbone of growth for improvement in several reasons. Effort drives learning. Effort drives learning. When we put effort into something, we are actively engaging with it, learning from mistakes and gaining new skills and knowledge. Efforts is the one of those things that gives meaning to life. Efforts means you are care about for something. Something is important to you and you are willing to work for it. It increases the likelihood of success. When you gives your 100% efforts, when you give your 100% efforts, you are maximizing your change of success. Efforts is the bridge between success and failure. When we value efforts, we celebrate the success. Thank you.
Everyone, today my topic is value of effort. Effort teaches us that we can do more than we thought. We can learn new skills by applying effort. Effort increase our confidence and our abilities. Effort is the backbone of growth. When you give 100% efforts, your chance of success increased. You can eliminate any obstacles or barriers to achieve success. By continuous efforts, your motivation and your willpower increased, and you can get a victory. Efforts are the building blocks of success. Effort is very important because it is key to feeling fulfilled. A good effort is to do something. A Mahatma Gandhi told, satisfaction lies in the effort, not in the attainment. A full effort is full victory. Thank you.
Respected sir and all of my dear friends. Today I am here to talk about value of efforts. If we say about efforts, it is general struggle. We may find that we have to work harder than we thought. Efforts is essential to success. Long terms of value of efforts can be hard. We should take right approach to achieve our goal. We should not take easy way to get success. Without efforts, there would be no any particular field to achieve our goal. In a simple way, efforts is a simple action. In a simple way, effort is a simple action. If we do efforts, we become happy, confident, and optimistic. These feelings help us to get success. If we do effort, we become powerful and successful person in our life. Effort is key to success. So we may say that it is the magic of our life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about value of effort. Value of effort is not innate, but is the result of learning and comes is conjunction. Effort only, uh, effort only exists if we think that something is worth the fight, which is why it is essential to look for that spark in each child. You are their example in life. The work we do with great deal of effort to succeed is hard work. Hard work must not be limited to work, but must be essential for human life. It determines our value in life. Thank you.
My name is Aditya, and today I am here to tell you about the value of effort. Effort is more valuable than result. Your result is not define your success. That is efforts to decide that you will achieve success in your life or not. Efforts are more that you think. Efforts are your late night studies, your more hours or gyms. Efforts is essential to achieve success. Thank you.